This is a really crucial case. It's really hard to overstate its importance. This really is going to be the Loving versus Virginia of our time. Hi, I'm Kenji Yoshino. I'm a constitutional law professor at NYU, and I'm also the author of Speak Now, Marriage Equality on Trial. Let me take you through the two sides of this glorious battle. So on the one hand, you have the same-sex couples, and the argument that the same-sex couples are making is you're denying us both our liberty and our equality. So you're denying us our liberty because you're denying us the right to marry, and you're denying us our equality because you are treating us differently than you would a heterosexual couple. What the other side is saying, on the other hand, is that, first of all, the right to marry, it only involves a right to opposite-sex marriage, because marriage, by definition, has a procreative component to it. And because you can't procreate internal to the relationship, what you're asking for isn't really a marriage. And then with regard to the equality argument, what they're saying is, unlike racial minorities or women, gay individuals can, for example, change their sexual orientation in their view. I hear all the time, what is the big deal about this particular decision, and isn't this done? Because after all, 37 states have same-sex marriage. The District of Columbia has same-sex marriage. So can't we just leave this to the political process and ultimately we'll get to 50? First of all, until and unless the United States Supreme Court says this is a constitutional right, any one of those 37 states could backslide. And then the second, and perhaps even more important aspect of this decision is its symbolic weight. Supreme Court decisions are so iconic. We know what Loving versus Virginia is. We know what Brown versus Board of Education is. Those decisions live in our collective memory and consciousness because there are moments when the Supreme Court, as a minority at the very top of the society, reached down and protected a minority at the very bottom of society.